What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am right now in Singapore. I'm going to be spending a few days here in Singapore, so while I'm here I'm going to show you guys around. Okay, those of you who have never been to Singapore is actually next to Malaysia, so if you want to come here from Malaysia, it will just take you about 45 minutes flight. Another thing for you guys to know is that the weather here is very humid. It's very warm. Like example, today is very sunny and it's 37 to 40 degrees. It's really hot, so make sure to dress down. Singapore is easily one of the most expensive city to be in. On a daily basis, you probably spend between $15 to $100 depending on where you eat, where you go, and what your activities are. Right. Another thing for you guys to know is that one thing, Singapore is very clean. You hardly find anybody littering any garbage anywhere. It's super clean. That is one of the props I gotta give to Singaporean. Also, if you want to get from one place to the other, everything is quite convenient here. The transportation system is excellent. There's local taxi, there's ride hailing, there's MRT. So yeah, that's that. So we're gonna be visiting a few places here in Singapore before we go to the next location. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys around, so stick around. Have arrived in Orchard Road. Welcome to the main street in Singapore, where you can do most of your shopping here. Although shopping is not cheap, but yeah, recommend that you can find anything here. By the way, fun fact, if you do come to Singapore during December when it's Christmas, you see this street road over here, this whole stretch of street road, they usually will have a Christmas parade here, so that's fun. So be sure to come here in December as well, okay? You guys are gonna love it. Yeah, sure. It's blistering hot right now.
It's pleasant, oh gosh.
Any comments, we can now be done.
Lifestyle here in Singapore is quite hectic. Personally, I feel like this is like a mini New York City right now. Everybody's always rushing. The weather here is so unpredictable. Sometimes it's hot and sunny, sometimes it's raining. Right now it's raining and sunny at the same time. Woo. We are right now at Hague Road Street Market, I think. Hague Road Market, by the way.
Sunda tadi.
Ngomong Sunda? Kamu tak ngomong Sunda balik?
I was like, I think.
Ibu yang tua tu atau cewek tu?
Ini cewek yang tadi ngomong banyak apa?
Bagi nasi ambeng satu.
So excited
Yeah. Masih lagi? Makan
Tengah suap pun mungkin tengok.
We're gonna watch the concert tonight.
Singapore, 3, 2, the roller coaster. Yes, Singapore!
Today is a beautiful day to go out for a stroll in Singapore because the sun is not out. You guys can see that it's quite cloudy. So less humid, less agitation, more good feeling, right? Yeah, Suchi is more calm today. She's much more relaxed today because it's not sunny. I don't know what is it with Singapore. I mean, Malaysia is hot, but here it's like 10 times more. The humidity here, it's almost similar to Thailand, Myanmar and Vietnam. Well, not Vietnam, just Thailand and Myanmar. Like the moment you get out from the house, that's it, you're done. You start soaking and sweating all the way through. Right now we are at Gardens by the Bay. We're gonna visit the cloud forest first. And just a quick tip for you guys, if you guys are coming here, try to come here around 4 p.m. or anything after 3 p.m. And try to avoid coming here over the weekend because it's filled with tourists over the weekend, so you might not be able to get some of the shots or some of the nice spots. And it's usually a long queue and very crowded, so try to avoid the weekends. Hey guys, we are inside the cloud forest right now. It is absolutely amazing. You guys definitely need to buy the ticket to come in here. I think it's probably gonna cost you around $20 or so, but it's definitely a good purchase, worth the money. Check it out. Hey you guys, today is going to be our last day here in Singapore. It's been an amazing trip. We've visited so many spots here in Singapore. There's a lot of beautiful places you can visit here. Again, like I said, it can get on the expensive side in terms of spending money here. If you're worried about spending too much money, you can always save up money on traveling and also on your meal. You can, for example, if you want to eat on a daily basis, you can visit the hawker stall. There's tons of food over there, a variety of choices for you to choose from. And in terms of getting around the island, you can always either take the trains. They have a very efficient MRT system, and also you can always take Grab if you want to. The buses are also great. So it's fun here, but the weather can get a little bit tricky. Sometimes it could be raining, but most of the time it's always sunny and humid. And the humidity here is very high, and if possible I would recommend you guys to dress down, wear singlets or shorts, wear comfortable shoes. You're gonna walk a lot, and yeah, just stay hydrated all the way. If you if it gets too sunny and you're sweating all the time, just pop into one of the cafes like that to cool down. Okay, anyways, we'll definitely come again to Singapore, probably during Christmas or New Year, where we can see some of the parades at Orchard Roads. And yeah, thank you so much. It's been fun. Peace out guys. Ciao.